I'm Marna, this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm bringing you something very special. I want to first say a very special thank you to Carrie at Inkpad's Playpad for coming up with the idea of getting out our CRISSY dolls. She and I chatted back and forth and we said, you know, we should have everybody bring their CRISSYs out for a CRISSY Brag Day. Use that hashtag or follow that hashtag, but if you have a video with your CRISSY and friends, please leave a note in my comments. The hashtags just don't work like they used to, and I don't want to miss any. You can see I got out my appropriate attire for the 1970s. These dolls are 50 years old this year. I can't believe that many years have gone by, but they have. They're very pretty dolls. They are fashion dolls without the overly built bodies, and that was very popular. There were a lot of parents that, you know, they liked Barbie, but they didn't, it wasn't really something they wanted their daughters to play with as they grew out of the baby dolls. And so CRISSY not only was a little less endowed, she also had this hair. This is fantastic. You know what, I'm going to do a different doll that doesn't have a headband on. I made her this outfit and we did their hair. And today I have, I think I counted 11 dolls that I'm going to wash and do a downy dunk on their hair. Mostly the CRISSY for today is the CRISSY Brag Day. I'm setting some of these girls up and I'm just using the cheaper conditioner today. It's cream rinse. I'm going to use that on them, let them sit a minute, comb it out with a steel comb, and then I'm going to use some cheap shampoo, wash it out, and then we're going to do the downy. So I have boiling water, not rolling boil, just starting to boil, with downy in it. I put 2 capfuls in this size pot. I have heads in there soaking. This one wasn't so bad, so what I'm doing is just, this is why I call it the downy dunk. I put the hair up and down, and then I comb this through it. And when I feel like the ends are looking better, she's done. What I'm going to do is rinse her, and then I will put her in a standing up, and comb the hair downwards, and then I'll leave that for 24 hours. I just wanted to show you real quick how nice everybody's hair turned out. They smell so nice. CRISSY's going to wear a headband. So her hair is looking fine. I did forget to do my one of my dolls, but I also wanted to show you these little Boxy girls. Oh my God, their hair turned out so perfect. They're going to get their own video coming up. And my little sunny day, her hair turned out so nice. I love these dolls. I have her dress that I'm going to get back on her. I buy those for $1.50 when I see them at garage sales. They're just so cute. But look at the little Barbies here. It was gone. And it's good enough to join my McDonald's Barbie doll collection. And I'm really pleased with how their hair came out, how their clothes came out. I want to show you Velvet. CRISSY came out and was so popular, they added Cousins, which was Velvet, and Friends, which was Carrie. This is Carrie's original outfit and shoes. This doll was gifted to me by a wife of a really good friend of Darren's. They kind of grew up together. First I want to show you Velvet's new dress, and they have a dial in the back of their back. So when you make their clothes, you have to work around that. And I machine, we're going to call it smocked. Not really, but it worked out. This little dress for her in the 70s print. Velvet was, is CRISSY's cousin, And she was so popular that they actually made more dolls her size that were her friends. I want to show you what the how these dolls work. Let's use Carrie. There is, let me undo her back. There is a dial in the back, and as you dial that, see the hair coming up to make a shorter hairdo? And then when you want it long, you press the belly button and pull on the hair, and the hair comes out. These dolls are 50 years old, and they made such a good mechanism, such a simple mechanism that children, young children, could manipulate, that they're still working today. These dolls are so beautiful. I really like them. They are iconic. These are her original shoes, by the way. These girls did not come with shoes. In fact, they didn't come with clothes. I found them at a garage sale. But in the 70s, we were barefoot. I got married the first time barefoot. I just want to thank Carrie again. If you don't subscribe to Carrie's channel, you are missing out. Carrie and Eli have one of the largest, most complete rainbow high, shadow high collections on, if not the, on YouTube. They also have, or Carrie's been collecting dolls for over 30 years. I didn't even know she was that old. She's a young girl. And has dolls, and she collects little toys, little miniature toys. It is a fantastic collection. Carrie, thank you again. Thank you for participating today. Again, please, if you have a CRISSY video today, please leave that in my comments along with anything else you'd like to say. Please leave a like and subscribe.